Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, you're making $120,000, $150,000, even $200,000 a year, but you still feel broke. Your bank account is empty by the middle of the month. You're stressed about money, and building real wealth feels impossible. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into something most finance channels avoid, the psychology behind why so many high earners stay poor. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how your brain is wired and the hidden mental traps that quietly sabotage your wealth. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to break down the real psychological reasons this happens, and more importantly, how you can finally break free from them. Stick around till the end. I've got a powerful mindset shift that can change everything. Let's get into it. The harsh truth: income versus wealth. Here's the uncomfortable truth. A good salary doesn't make you rich. Behavior does. Psychologists and behavioral economists have studied this for years. What they found is that most people don't have an income problem. They have a psychology problem. Your brain is literally wired for survival, not for building long-term wealth. Back in the day, that helped our ancestors survive scarcity. Today, in a world of easy credit, endless ads, and instant gratification, that same wiring is keeping millions stuck on the financial hamster wheel, even when they earn well. The biggest lie we tell ourselves: if I just made more money, everything would be fine. Reality: higher income without fixing your psychology just means you'll be broke at a higher level. Psychological trap. Number 1, hedonic adaptation, the happiness treadmill. Number 1 is something called hedonic adaptation, also known as the hedonic treadmill. You get a raise or a bonus, and for a few weeks, it feels amazing. Then your brain adapts. That new car, bigger apartment, or fancier vacations suddenly feel normal. So what do? You spend even more to feel that same rush again. This is why someone making $80,000 can feel just as stressed as someone making $180,000. Your lifestyle quietly expands to match or exceed your income. The fix starts with awareness. When you get more money, decide in advance how much of it you'll keep versus spend. Don't let your brain trick you into upgrading your entire life. Psychological trap number 2, present bias and instant gratification. Next up is present bias, our brain's natural tendency to value immediate pleasure way more than future rewards. Buying that new gadget today feels amazing. Saving and investing that same money for retirement, it feels boring and far away. This bias is why people carry credit card debt at 22% interest while knowing they should be investing. The pain of not buying something right now feels worse than the future pain of debt or missing out on compound interest. Here's a simple hack that works. Make saving automatic. Pay yourself first the moment your paycheck hits, before you even see the money. Remove the decision so your emotional brain can't sabotage you. Psychological trap number 3, social comparison and status seeking. Number 3 is deadly in today's world: social comparison. Thanks to social media, we're constantly comparing our behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. We see the luxury cars, dream vacations, and perfect homes, and suddenly our own life feels inadequate. So we spend money we don't have to keep up appearances: nicer house, better car, expensive schools for the kids, all to signal success to people who don't even care. Real wealth is quiet. The truly wealthy rarely look wealthy. They focus on freedom, not flexing. Ask yourself this question before every big purchase: would I still buy this if nobody ever saw it? If the answer is no, you're probably buying it for status, not value. Psychological trap number 4, scarcity mindset versus abundance mindset. Another big one is the scarcity mindset. Even high earners can feel like there's never enough. This creates fear-driven decisions: hoarding stuff, overspending to feel secure, or avoiding smart risks like investing. On the flip side, people who build real wealth develop an abundance mindset. They understand that money is a tool, not the goal. They focus on creating value, investing consistently, and thinking in decades instead of months. Your childhood stories about money also play a huge role here. Many of us grew up hearing money is hard to get or rich people are greedy. These subconscious beliefs quietly control our behavior until we become aware of them. Psychological trap number 5, loss aversion and emotional decision making. Finally, loss aversion. We feel the pain of losing money twice as strongly as the joy of gaining the same amount. This is why people panic sell investments during market crashes or avoid investing altogether, because they're scared of losing. Meanwhile, They happily lose thousands every year on lifestyle creep and interest payments. The wealthiest people learn to separate emotion from money decisions. They create systems and rules so their brain doesn't take over during stressful moments. Conclusion. Plus, powerful mindset. So here's the big takeaway. Staying poor or middle class stressed, despite a good salary, isn't about intelligence or luck. It's about psychology. The good news, you can rewire it. Start by paying yourself first, tracking your spending without judgment, protecting your time and attention from comparison, and thinking like an owner instead of a consumer. My challenge for you today, pick just one of these psychological traps that hit you the hardest and take one small action this week to fight back against it. Drop a comment below and tell me, which trap do you struggle with the most? Let's talk about it. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more deep dive psychology and wealth building videos every week. You have everything you need to build real financial freedom, starting with changing how you think about money. Thanks for watching. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one.